Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ali. For all my new subscribers, here with me from the start, thank you. If you're new to my channel, I'm a mom. I do videos on motherhood, childcare, and everything in between. So if that's something that you're interested in, subscribe to my channel down below. Tell them TB says subscribe. Subscribe! Yes, so today I'm at my mother's house, the house that I grew up, and
hi guys, today I'm at my grandma's house. My name is Sophia the First.
that's not your name. So that is my little niece. Her name is Jordane, but we call her Tibi. And I'm gonna show you guys around the yard that I grew up in, guys. But I'm telling you something. When you talk about fruitful yard, that yard here. When we talk about fruitful yard, is this yard. When we talk about hustling yard, is this yard. When we talk about hustler, is my mother. So your shadow if I come out here. But yeah, guys, she's sewing right now because she has swear things them what she make. And yeah, so we're chilling here today with her. Let me tell you something, guys. Never be ashamed of where you come from, because everybody have a past, and you have to have a past to have a future, and to have somewhere where you're going. So never be ashamed of where you're coming from. This is where I came from, and I'm proud. So we have potato in the fire roasting because my daddy is real. My daddy is a real man with roasting. So a potato in the fire roasting right now. Here are the children. And mommy have chicken in the coop. I'm gonna show you guys that. So TB is pulling the full coop door for me, guys. This is real. If you don't live, if you've never been around stuff like this before, then I don't know. Fall Cuban and trees, different fruit trees and stuff like that, then I don't know. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys the chickens. They're struggling to pull the. You guys struggling?
Guys, when the big chickens are killed, but the little chickens is still up there.
The big chickens, mommy killed them this morning, so but we have little chickens still there. Guys, don't mind my hair. I'm kidding all day today. Follow my TikTok. It's Ali_Royal on the screen. Follow me on TikTok and follow me on Instagram, Ali_Royal. So if it's not Ali Royal, which is the only thing is YouTube, all other social is Ali Royal. Ali_Royal. So yeah. Let's go look at the chickens. Guys, I'm afraid to step in a so because look there, the floor full of mommy just rake it up. But anyways, it look like it dry. So these are the baby chicks. Yo, who know lantern? Who know lantern? Who know about lantern? If you're deaf on this and you know about lantern, comment. So they fold them there. And
isn't it beautiful?
mommy killed the next one them with it down here. So this morning, so them fall here dead, and we're gonna eat them. But these are the baby chicks. Baby chicks. On the pan one wash you know. I don't know why like oh no feed me. This is their feed. Fine Russian, guys. But lantern, if you have a lantern, still comment down below. My mother have everything. But yeah, let me show you guys the potato that we were roasting. So we have potato in the fire here. I roast it under the sun. And Aiden had his first potato. Aiden was eating potato. So I don't know if you don't know about banana and them something there and them something there, but this yard fruitful. My mother little what is time? She have time in the pan here. And she have mint over here. So skeleton dirty be? You don't see no skeleton? No. And them have banana tree, guys.
The banana, when
banana tree, banana on top of banana. In this yard, yeah.
Everything grows here. Even tangerine, apples, and mangoes. And even star apple.
Yay. She said it. Pick apple, guys. Because we have apple trees. See the star apple tree here. Star apple finish and me never get none. See the mango tree here. So my daddy care. You get apple?
That's my daddy's car. And everything is around.
So the apple tree here now. Apple upon the tree like worries. Apple?
Yeah.
Woo!
You can't worry about apple here.
She said it. You can't worry about apple here. Not at all. This is Jordan and my little niece. And Jaden with the apple in, I'm sure. You not eat it. Give Aiden peace. You don't want to share it?
Maybe we want apple.
So yes, guys, this is the apple tree. We have the tangerine tree down there. So, and my father is one piece of farmer, as I said before. Him grow enough things. So, him have one little ground over there. So, him have ground. Show us how you pick the apple, Tibi. Huh? Show us how you pick the apple.
We start. We use this stick to pick an apple.
How you pick it? Be careful, no come from country, no know if you pick apple. Hey, good day, Tibi. So Tibi, good job, girl. So, I want to try pick apple too, you know. But I feel like I saw. I go put it down and try it. Alright, that's how it have to go. Hold it, Tibi. You can hold it? Take your hand from in front of the camera, baby. Alright, so I'm going to try pick apple. Me know if you pick apple in there, guys, because as I say, yes, when I grew up, I grow the tree, I climb the tree. I'm telling you one joke about that tree, yeah. Let me tell you a joke. Wait.
It's a joke.
Let me tell you one joke about that tree, yeah. You see that part here where Papa off one big limb did there right there, so with a hole there. There was a big limb there, and me and my sister, well, not me and my sister, but my sister climbed it one day, and the limb tear down with her, everything come down and she just drop. She come down with the limb, and that was funny. But this tree here, we used to climb that tree here. Mosquito down here, man, Tibi. We used to climb that tree here, and when we climb the tree here, we used to play apple war. So two of we would go up in a tree, and we have a cousin them and so two of we would go up in a tree, two throw down apple, a lick one another, and two throw up apple, a lick one another. So that was the game, and we used to use the blossom fights, play what the game name? We used to use the blossom fight and put in a pen, the paper made pen them. I don't know if you know a paper made pen them, but we used to use the blossom fight, put in a that, and we used to call it prop and gun. I don't know if nobody else know about prop and gun, but prop and gun. Bow. Aiden. I combed my hair like a child today.
I will sing my favorite song to you that I made up.
Okay.
I'm a little wizard and I love to eat apple. And I love to eat a tangerine, mango, and star apples. I'm a little wizard and I love my friends. I love my family and no one can take me from them.
Ah, good job. Alright, come sing a song too. You want to sing a song too? Come sing a song.
You got up.
1, 2, 3, go. Take it away, Jaden.
Okay. Sonic the Hedgehog. And today he's so fast. Yes, Grandma.
Yeah, go.
He goes today.
Where you go, mommy? Alright. Wanna stay? My mother gone by. Juice for shop.
My favorite song is that, guys. Hope you enjoyed my song. Please subscribe to me and my family. I love them, and and I'll never run away from them.
Me have this, you know. Me have this for recording on TV. So when you grow big and you start behave up, me have it to say it say, you'll never run away from us and you'll love us. Okay?
And when I grow up, I'll buy a new car for my daddy and build them a house.
Oh, that's sweet. Her daddy, guys, is my daddy. She called my daddy her daddy, which is grandpa. Her grandpa, but is my daddy, and she called her daddy. Hope that makes sense. I find one tomato we come on from my father's tree. It's not ripe yet, but I'm showing you the tree. Let me show you guys the tree. The tree is right here. See the tree there? Tomato there on the tree. And
Guys, I did want to say something to you again. I am 7 years old and I love to help Daddy cut the grass and I love to help him do ask and I love to help Grandma sew and clean also the house.
okay, good job. And Daddy have corn here, so pumpkin this, so cabbage. I don't know if you see the cabbage them wanna eat out, but him have, oh, that one is spoiled from the tree. But him have good cabbage a come. So yeah, if you follow my TikTok, ooh, tomato. More tomato. Look here, man. Let me just say this, guys. You see? This is a yard that you can never be hungry in. This is a yard that you always have food in, you know? And sometimes we might think that we're poor or we don't have it, but we really have it, you know? When you take a look on it, we really do have it because look at these things to eat, like crazy food. Yes, remember, me tell know that yard is fruitful. Well, you are talented too. My daddy make things. My daddy and my mother. So when I hasak here, when I hasak this, then call this Ottoman. So my daddy make that come off like Jaden after one customer. Ottoman. And see the settee there for go furry. Bad. Bad. Make daddy. Cutting table. Cut line straight like that. People you have to hustle. Anything what give you $1 in your pocket, honestly, once on a thief, hustle. Once on a thief, you're a thief, hustle. Well, promise over daddy. Once on a thief, you're a thief, hustle. Anything that can make your money in your pocket, do it. Do it. Now this area, they plant anything, they raise chicken, they make hasat, they do all sort of something. Here's some born and grow. In a life, anything, what we not do, not put in all in it, make sure say, once you're honest bread, once it's your honest bread, you do that, honey. So guys, me there I talk to my father and him did tell me all like something them want make, and me just show the Ottoman and the settee because me I say whatever, but he must say make other things, so tell him what you make, Val.
Do car seats. General upholstery. From a pin to anchor in upholstery.
From a pin to anchor, so chair, car seat, hassock, help. Settee, pillow, cushion, every little thing. So like they can wrap back a settee, like if a settee if the material pan is not good anymore, then can tear off that and wrap it back, make it brand new. Then can make like cross seat for bus and sitting there. You name it, as in say from a pin to an anchor, you can make all of that upholstery. Farming, the man do farming, the man then raise chicken, then do all sorts of something here. Make sure you did see in the vlog late when me da show us there we I show you the full coop, and my mother did kill the chicken them this morning, what you doing at bottom, and me show you in farm, show you that they are very fruitful, full of things, be things they up here, and Yep, so that's what it is. Guys, you know my daddy farm. Tomato fish stew and dog. Hey man, tomatoes. My daddy, I got look potato. And callaloo you have, daddy. Don't cut off. You cook them already. You find one mango, guys. Green skin mango. You know, for the tree. Daddy, come like worm in mango, man. You know. Potato grown. Guys, get down with Maka. Who know they down with Maka? Step on it, it's leave. Get down with Maka. Yam here. What is yam or potato, daddy? Yam. Yam hill. Yam hill we have here. Yam, my daddy don't leave it. When you come on to work ground and do any little thing work-wise, he work. Not a lazy man. Me used to come over here so with me a little picnic. Me used to come over here and go underneath the bush them and play with Dolly. We call over here to Al Park. Me used to just run come over here when any little thing I want to free my mind. Me run come over here and play with Dolly and the bush. And that bush. You really see them. Dolly have color and the I'm just many people that can't hungry, man. Many people that can't hungry. They raise farm. They have an entire farm. They raise from meat straight down to grown provisions. A long time not eat hunger for the tree and knife. Eat tree beer, daddy. Eat tree beer. With mango tree. Sun hot. Guys, we go back up from the farm, you know. Daddy there with the potato them in her hand. I'm not telling you lie, I have a good day today. It's been a while since me come out of the house and just do things where just do normal things, fun things. Me think them things are fun, nature things. Guys, I come from bush and it look like the rain are gonna fall. See the mango tree here where me get the mango off and one of they see me eating at the potato ground. The mango tree here, we used to climb when we were little. We used to climb the tree here. And my brother did build one car around the tree. The body of the tree. You know see car all about because my brother into those stuff. Him pull down car, mash up car, fix car. You name it, he do it with car. But we used to pay him leaf for fear. But how the leaf used to go, guys, like if a apple tree leaf $50. If a mango tree leaf used to be dearest leaf. I don't know if because him build the car around it, but mango tree leaf $1,000 and we used to broke and give ourselves apple tree leaf for the change. And say if you're a 150, we use a little apple tree leaf for $50 and big apple tree leaf for so yes guys, may I look for the baby soda because him up there bite in hand. So I got it. It's I think I should show you guys this, especially my moms. It's a teething soda. It's like this, so it goes directly between the gum part. So it it's for teething. It squeezed them gum. I come with a gel and everything, but yeah, I don't have the gel right now, so I'm gonna go give him that. Okay, back the car. Guys, it's going to rain today. But yeah, the sky looks so black. There you go. So yes, guys. Heading back up to the house to give the baby the soda. My mommy having. So guys, the day's activities are finished. We cooked. Well, I cooked the chicken. We cooked curry chicken foot and chicken neck. I cooked that, and my mommy cooked the food, which was the dumplings, sweet potatoes that we got from Daddy Ground, and we eat that. So we're tired and now we lay down. Actually I lay down for mommy something then what she make. So Aiden knock out right beside me here. So and depending on my play, but I think I'm gonna end the vlog here for today. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. Tibi, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for the support. Remember, if you're new to my channel, to go ahead and subscribe to my channel down below. Bye.